Hello everyone. Well, welcome back to Kids Python Challenge. Okay, let's continue let's resume making our games. Okay, let's see where we were doing. That's right. Last time, whack-a-mole game. Very simple abstract game in a way, in a sense. But let's check that. So let's move this to right and open the last time. We were making what was that? Whack-a-mole, was it? Okay, maybe this is it. So we can run it and see how it was like. So it was like very simple game. So move the square and catch the cat. Not a mole, but the cat. So that she can be happy. Okay, so a very simple game using the keyboard, arrow keys like here. Okay, so let's make another game today using the catch the falling item. Again, we're going to use keyboard, but it'll be more like, yeah, it's a combination of click bouncing ball and whack-a-mole. Okay. So let me make a ball for catching items falling downward. Okay, so first basic design is that we should start from a very, we should decide what kind of game it would be like. So it would be like very simple. From there, ball coming down, and we try to catch it by moving the basket or board or something like that. Okay? So today we're going to use this part by using the bouncing ball game, starting from the bouncing ball game, which we made in lesson 51, and make a small prototype of falling balls. Okay? So how shall we start? Let us go back to maybe it was like ball was like this, for example. Okay, so starting here, maybe we can save as from the file menu, save as, what was the lesson name? Lesson 61. So 61, this time is 61 ball catch. Okay. So let's see, what can we use? We can continue to use the canvas sides of X and Y. We don't use the ball color. Okay, so we will name it catching ball. Catching balls, okay. Catch the balls. Catch balls, okay. Catch falling balls. Okay, let's see how it looks like. So we don't use mouse, so we don't use this. And the ball size, let's start from X. And the ball starts at, say, the initial position is always 0. And X velocity is 0, so we don't need this. Y velocity, let's make it like 5 in the beginning. Okay, we don't use color score. So it will be like this. Very simple. Okay. Please take a closer look. Stop the video if necessary and see how it looks like. So initial position is like this. So for update, X, we don't use X for the time being. So just comment this out. For Y, yeah, it will be the same. And there is no change of color. So here, we don't need this. So the point is, the first line, okay, we don't need this. So the first line is, if the ball is at the lower edge. Okay, anyway, let's take a look. Remove everything and see how it looks like. Okay. Let's see how it looks like. Okay. So color. We don't have color here. So we use this constant color, say 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe. Okay. I think let's see how it looks like. Okay, so the ball fell down. Okay, good. So maybe what's next? I see. Let's take it back. Pyxel mouse. True. Okay. So that the mouse shows up. So this is the first prototype. Ball appear at a random X position. And when a ball, we release the next one. When shall we release the next one? So maybe the thing is, as soon as the ball reaches the lower bottom edge, it should appear at a random position at the upper edge, right? So it will be like this. So if the self by is less than or less than can y is the vertical size and at the same time the y coordinate of the lower edge. Okay, if it reaches the end, maybe we reset the by to 0 and also let the ball show at a random position, random.rand between say 10 to can x minus 10. So that, yeah, how about this? Okay, so this way we can see that what's wrong? Bx is by equals 0 and bx let's see. I see. Okay, this should be larger than p1. Okay, as soon as it reaches the lower edge. Okay, sorry. So it will be like this. Okay, good. So ball appears at a random x position and falls down. Good. As a first step, it is good enough. I hope you like it. Okay, what's next? So yeah, at a random x position, and when it appears, the next one appears when the first one reaches the lower edge. Okay, good. So that's all for today. Maybe we will make additions to this next time. So homework, make variations in speed of the ball and also the color of the ball. That's easy, right? Okay, enjoy and be sure to come back next time. Bye-bye.